Today we are doing something with the Civic. Gonna try to get this thing aligned. The car has not been driving straight for the longest time. There's only certain shops that accept lowered cars. The only way to get this car aligned is if I drive to a shop an hour away. Some alignment shops will not take this car for some reason. All right, I actually forgot to film, but we are getting gas right now. Just finished alignment. It does drive a lot straighter. As the graph before, it was pretty nasty. My toe was off. My camber was, I already knew the camber was off because it's lowered, but as you can see, it came out a lot better and a lot straighter. The only thing is I do need to fix the camber on this left side of probably the control arm. The road was so bad it actually scraped the lip. Definitely gonna have to redo it, but we are finally back home tomorrow. Try to clean this up because it is loose, and I think that's why, as you can see, it's super loose. Definitely need to fix that so that way it doesn't cause that problem anymore. Probably clean the inside for tomorrow so that way I could get it cleaned up for a upcoming meet. So it's the next day. I just woke up, so that's why I kind of look a little ratchety, but last time you guys seen, I had this car aligned. I do need to adjust the camber just a little bit just so that way it's even. Unfortunately, the shop wouldn't be able to adjust the camber just because I think the car is modified and they don't want to adjust too much, unless if it's a stock car, of course. They told me just to adjust it and come back, but honestly it's just camber, so I'm probably just gonna adjust it myself, and as long as the fitment is pretty close to the fender, I think we'll have no problem with that. The Civic is pretty dirty, so we're gonna clean the Civic today, and also we are gonna try to clean this side of the garage. Literally all my stuff, car parts, cleaning stuff. We have my old control arms in here twice. I just have all this stuff. I can't even work on this space because I just have so much products or so much miscellaneous things that have just been thrown around ever since I've been trying to fix this Civic. This whole wall is basically mine. I just want to make it more organized. I kid you not, it's so hot out here. It's actually, look at this. I could touch it and look. It's literally melting my tire gauge. So I have the Civic finally cleaned. Everything has been vacuumed. I leave those rags in there just in case if something leaks. I cleaned the door panels. I vacuumed the carpets. Everything got a wipe down. Even the screen, look at that. Even the screen is shiny. Okay, so I have everything cleaned up. It's not the best, but it definitely looks a lot better. I have the whole shelf all organized now. I got rid of most of the old rotors and the spindle that I had before here. Move along here, there's a lot more space so I can work on. I did also organize my whole toolbox just so that way I know where everything is. Then everything else is kind of miscellaneous or cleaning stuff. And that is basically it. Next, I'm gonna try to screw up this lip for now so that way it doesn't dangle. This side is running a little bit more camber than the right side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna readjust my control arm out this tire a little bit closer to the fender so that way the camber is almost dead even with the other side. Just like that, I don't think the lip is gonna move at all. I just put 2 more tappers just to do the job for now. Just like that, we have everything on, everything is fixed. I don't know if you guys can notice on camera, the wheel does poke out a lot more to the fender. Fix the lip, just get this thing nice and tidy. Like I said, this car is my daily driver, guys. Kind of tired and it's hot. We feel like we got a lot done. A couple more things I want to do to this just to clean it up. These wipers are definitely faded and definitely need to be repainted. Same thing for the front, seen some better days. Definitely want to repaint that. I still need to put on sun visors. I haven't put them on ever since I did the Starlight, so that way I could get some shade, because as you guys know, this thing doesn't have tint. Eventually, I do want to run tint later on. I know you guys have seen a lot of half-naked Jarek on the videos. It's just so hot, guys. It's unbelievable. Also, I need to get a haircut. Maybe that's one of the reasons too. Recent videos that I've been posting, I've just been half shirtless because it's so hard to work on this car in the heat. I feel like I'm gonna have a heat stroke or something. I do appreciate every single one of you guys for the support, commenting, liking, and sharing. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time in the next one.